Take as many photographs as you want. Can we have the phones facing the camera? No, we have to do post-prod later, so better that way. Yeah. Can we, Tarun, can we move everybody 2 feet that side?
Okay.
Sajid, Mr. Park, sir, little bit that side. Just little towards that side, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Light. We're doing a full portfolio shoot, proper. पहला full frontal कर लो सबका. Okay, camera persons, you have only 55 minutes to finish. Please keep going. Lunch ready नहीं है. वो दूसरा hotel Sun and Sense से आ रहे हैं. It'll take some time. Shahid bhai, your brother is calling you. Shahid, your brother is calling you. Wajid bhai, your brother is calling you. मेरा कोई भाई नहीं है. और कुछ खास एक्सप्रेशन बता दो, we'll do it, no problem. Okay, last 10 seconds. हो गया, आप लोग भी bored हो गया, ठीक है ना? Just be frank. Okay, one final one.
टच करना पड़ेगा वो
Left to right.
इसको टच कर लो.
Okay, last.
Sir, DOP आप बताओ, we'll do what you say. हाँ, Shraddha, they only want to shoot you now for some reason. Okay. Wajid, look happy here. Okay, enough. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Park. A big hand for Mr. Park, who's brought us all here. Thank you. And now we're going to move on, as Mr. Park sits down, to a tete-a-tete with our two stars, Shahid and Shraddha. And I will hand over the mic to two more pictures of Shahid and Shraddha alone. Now just the two stars alone for 5 seconds. As we put the bar stools on stage. Wajid, Sajid, please sit down. थोड़ा पीछे रख लो, sir. Yes. As you like it, you say na, we'll do it. पीछे और पीछे. हाँ. Okay. Last 5 seconds of Shahid and Shraddha holding the phone. हाँ. Wait. Say.
हो गया Thanks.
Center. Left, right, left, center, up, down, up. Fast, quick. Down. पीछे. Turn around, do 2 circles. Smile, fall down. Somersault. और कुछ? Okay, bas. They want to catch a flight to London. Okay, so up to a quick tete-a-tete now. We want to just speak. We have the stars here. We have Sajid Wajid, finest music talents in India. And Tarun, you're going to start this off by asking Sajid some important questions.
Was that?
I
thought you and I were having a talk. But anyways, I'll go to Sajid.
I was going to ask you to ask him, so I asked my question.
Oh, that's the question. Okay.
And बच्चे लोग बैठ जाओ. I'll just control them. They don't listen. Shraddha ji, can you sit down, please? She does. Oh, okay, fair enough. I also wear skirts. Shahid, whatever. So we'll stand there. We'll just keep this as a backdrop. But I'll allow Tarun to ask Sajid a question first.
Okay, thanks, Cyrus. You've been talking too much, so let me kind of take the podium. Sajid, since we were talking about whole change in the music industry, what's going on? And this is a great track. I'm thankful to you for giving it for Club Samsung. So why don't you tell us more about what's going on and how do we kind of go forward from here?
See, this is a very different genre of music which we are exploring. The world is going on a different platform with music, mashallah say. To be very fair with our Bollywood music is hitting all over the world and it's become a rage all over the world. People, there was a time when people used to go abroad and collaborate with a lot of people. Now, there are a lot of music producers who are coming to India and collaborating with us. So it's a fantastic sign. And at this point of time, if a Samsung phone which comes out with a club, wow. What could be different than anything? Because we hardly get a time to go to any club. Yeah, Shahid? So now we have a club on the phone. No, we have our own club. So I believe in this case, it is like a kind of diversion from Bollywood to something different, which is EDM, hip-hop, which has become a very style icon music all over the world. So we are trying to collaborate our Indian melodies, our lyric value to the tracks with EDM, because usually when we hear only the electronic music, which is there. There is nothing to sing, there is nothing to talk about it. So we thought of doing something, creating something, a new kind of IP for Club Samson. And yes, you've heard the first example, which is called Butterfly. And I'm very excited about Freedom. Butterfly is the... So we are very excited of this collaboration. And yes, cross our words that inshallah, coming years we'll be doing a lot of experiments and a lot of different kind of songs on Club Samson.
So thanks, Sajid. That was very informative. As a matter of fact, you didn't mention, but we're working on a joint collaboration with Sajid and Wajid to promote talent. You'll hear from us more about this in the next few weeks.
But Tarun, before you go further, Wajid has come here like a male model. He stood on stage for 40 minutes and not said a word. Some of the press are getting very upset. Wajid, कुछ तो बताओ, one and two, who's the boss?
यार साइरस भूख लग रही है, मैं 9 बजे से यहाँ पर हूँ।
You're telling me.
तो सोच रहा हूँ कि यार वही तो सोच रहा हूँ कि जल्दी खत्म हो, इसलिए मैं कुछ बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, एनर्जी वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ।
Dinner तक रहेगा हम लोग, don't worry, it's a long program.
बोला ना, देखा, सुना ना।
हाँ ठीक है.
Basically, Club Samsung is coming up. You know, we had a very good chat regarding music, and today's youth, the kind of track we want to portray, because films में क्या होता है, mostly we are working on situations. So when you're working individually, parallel music, so you can do whatever you want to do. So I think, yeah, so I guess it's a good platform and it's just a beginning. So inshallah, Allah ne chaha, to we'll be doing a lot of track with Samsung and you'll be hearing a lot of them. Thank you very much.
Okay, Tarun, part 2 in our tete-a-tete question session is with Shraddha, who I must say mustn't call me uncle because she's very young.
You're going off the script.
I'm going off the script. I'm so sorry, Tarun.
I'm getting a little nervous. This is not a daily work for
Okay,
me.
go ahead. Go back to your script. Go back to your script. Go
Okay,
ahead.
so you were saying something. Why don't you just
No,
repeat
I
what
was
you
giving
said?
you a chance to talk to Shraddha because I thought you need to
okay.
ask a question.
Okay, Shraddha. So, you know, while we were talking to Shraddha, she said that she has a lot of problems because she kind of goes out and she wants to catch up on her TV programs and everything else, and she doesn't get time, and she's
She's very busy basically because she's a very super successful actress right now. And I'm told you work 2 shifts and you have no time for a life to watch TV.
But happily so right now. It's good. I've been waiting for that for a very long time. So happily so. But yeah, of course, because you're on the go now, or rather I am more on the go now. So I end up missing some of my favorite TV shows which play on TV, and obviously you can't carry a
So let me
TV
kind of help
everywhere.
you out. Just walk with me.
Okay.
Let me show
No,
you.
let her finish saying. Oh, no, I'm listening.
No, he wants to help me. So he must.
I'm going to help her. I'm
absolutely.
going to kind of do it faster for you. Can I have the screen, please? So, okay. Let me give you the first glimpse of... Guys,
No problem.
no problem.
Just keep looking at the beautiful Shraddha.
This is the sort of first glimpse of Club Samsung. And as you can see on the screen, you could even see on the monitor, you get a whole backdrop of the movie. You get a choice of picking up your music, your movies, your videos, and your live TV. So we have almost, oh, that's a Big Boss trailer. Unfortunately, we couldn't have Salman Khan. Otherwise, we've done some promotion for Big Boss also. So you have all 90 channels up available on your phone.
Exactly.
Live streaming as you go.
Exactly, as you go. So it's more convenient for me. It's really cool that this new app, this new product which has come, it's at the palm of your hands and you can stream whatever you like. Club Samsung. It makes life convenient. So that's awesome.
Does it excite you?
Of course it excites me because then I don't have to feel like I've missed out on something or I can't discuss my favorite shows with my friends.
It covers all regional, Hindi, English, all search channels.
It's a very convenient thing more than anything. It's
Great.
awesome.
All right. Thank you, Shraddha. Thank you so much. And I think somebody is left out feeling a little upset. He whispered he wants to talk to the audience for the next 10-15 minutes on his own. Shahid Kapoor, you have lots to say. But Tarun is the quiz master, so I'll leave it to him.
Yes, Shahid. So you've been talking about your fitness schedule and, you going to your gym and stuff like that. And you have a problem while you're driving, you want to use the phone. And you were talking something about the jog dial.
Yeah, you've pretty much told them my problem, so I'll just listen to the solution now.
Okay, so, before we got in, Shahid was telling me that, he has this problem. He loves music, but he loves to gym also, and he loves to drive also. So we said, okay, let's pick up music. Let's say, let's forget about this. Let's kind of look at something very interesting. Now, there is, Club Samsung offers you an online and an offline feature, which means if you have your playlist already available on the device, you could even play that. So I have a playlist. Let's say, what is this? What song is this? But anyway, let's play this. Go back, underbar. device. Okay, let's play another one. Does this sound good? To wish list and device. Okay, let me say song. Yeah, maybe some device has gone with it. One sec. Okay, there it is. So, what Jog Dial is all about is actually, while you're
that-
driving,
right,
why do you
so-
do it yourself?
That thing there, what does that do?
It kind of pulls you ahead in the song. For example, you want to fast forward it.
So you just use one thumb and you can scroll to whichever point of the media that you're viewing.
Exactly.
Whether it's a video or music or whatever it is. That's really convenient, man.
I
really
always
like
knew this guy was good with technology.
it. Yeah, no, that's really great because sometimes what happens is if you're driving or if you're working out, your hands are not accessible to you as much as you would want them to, and you want something that's
the
convenient.
basic concept of the design is keeping the user in mind.
Yes.
While you drive and you want to use your thumb
Yeah.
to sort of progress on the song.
So it's safer
back and
as well,
forth.
right?
It's safer as well.
It's better for people who are driving and listening to music. It makes driving a lot safer. So both the pedestrians and the driver are in a better place.
Yes, and then you can even share it on the social network through a messenger or a SMS the way you want it.
Also, you were telling me that once you download something, you can access it even when you're offline.
Yes, so
which I think is really convenient.
It
because
offers you streaming, download, and
yeah, because a
offline.
lot of times you're in places, especially because we travel so much and we shoot in different places, and a lot of times you don't have network, and you get very frustrated that you can't access the music that you might like. So I think that's what's very cool about it is that if I've downloaded the stuff that I like, I can access it at any point in time, which again is something very convenient.
So does
I
it
like
excite
that.
you?
Very much.
Okay, great.
How much does it excite you?
Oh, well, I'm the father of the product.
You have to show us a dance step if it excites
No,
you.
Come on,
that's
Tarun,
not-
quick
that's
dance.
not my
One-
style.
one step we
That's
can do,
not
come
my
on.
You want to
style.
see Tarun dance?
We'll show you a very simple
Every time,
step.
same filmy
Come.
function, film stars
We
dancing.
have to do one step.
Okay, you
One
have to
step,
tell
one
me.
step.
Huh?
One
So
step.
step and back.
And
Come on,
back.
Tarun.
And
Very good.
step
And step.
and back.
This will
And
take
back.
1 hour.
And
We don't
step
have-
and back.
Okay, we've seen the
and
act now.
step and
Shayad, it's not
back
working for
and
you.
step. Wait, man, we're just
back.
getting into the groove right now.
That's good.
Step and back. That's nice. That's
That's
nice.
good. Thank you
That's
so
So
much.
we're both
Well
very,
done.
very excited.
See, all this thanks to
Wonderful.
technology. You would never
Yeah,
learn to
absolutely,
dance.
absolutely.
Thanks to Samsung. Thank you so much, Tarun. Big hand for our quiz master, Tarun. But there are lots of people here like me who don't understand technology or cannot learn so quickly. So you have used one of your famous filmmaker contacts and you put together a short film apparently.
You
Which
know,
can,
it's actually meant for people like you who are not so well versed in technology.
not so intelligent.
So
Fair enough.
can I have the video, please?
Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. 15 minutes of explanation. 1 minute, 1 minute. Don't worry. This is it. Sung with non-stop entertainment, a platform for everything, every single thing. But we have time for a question answer session. We have 2 hours more booking ka, I think till 2 o'clock, 2:30 hai. So guys, can you all just stand around the chairs or sit? Wajid is touching me in a very nice way. But it's question and answer time. So is there anyone with a question for Club Samsung? Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Hi sir, Yash Bhatt from CNBC आवाज़. I just wanted to ask you कि मार्केट में इतने सारे म्यूजिक ऐप्स हैं जिससे आप म्यूजिक स्ट्रीम कर सकते हो, डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, तो इस एप्लीकेशन में क्या अलग चीज़ है जो बाकी प्रोडक्ट से इसको अलग करता है?
एक तो साजिद वाजिद है हमारे साथ. That's one unique thing. Secondly, we have Shraddha and Shahid again launching this with us. And thirdly, the whole user experience, which is most critical. जैसे कि आपने अभी देखा, मैंने जॉग डायल दिखाया. ज़्यादातर क्या होता है कि लोग ऐप बना देते हैं लेकिन उसमें थिंकिंग नहीं जाती कंज्यूमर्स के लिए. So we've kept the consumer in mind and created a jog dial which helps them navigate content. There's an offline player, which means अगर आपके पास already a playlist है तो आप इसी ऐप में उसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. Plus we stream, we download and we share. That's most critical.
Hi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Second out of 40 questions. Yes, ma'am, please.
मेरा प्रश्न श्रद्धा जी से यही है कि
नहीं, नाम पहले बैंक अकाउंट नंबर, पैन कार्ड नंबर, वो सब डिटेल्स.
अच्छा मेरा नाम बताना है. अच्छा मैं
Please.
सोमा घोष और गृह शोभा मैगजीन से हूँ.
फोन नंबर, अच्छा ठीक है.
वो नहीं मिल सकता.
वो नहीं मिल सकता. Go ahead, go ahead.
वो क्या है, मैं श्रद्धा जी से पूछना चाह रही हूँ कि जैसे इन्होंने बताया कि आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो और कहीं भी आप इसको सुन सकते हो, लेकिन आजकल गाड़ी चलाते हुए तो आप गाना सुनना वो भी अपराध है, आप जानते हैं। तो ऐसे में
ये तो
श्रद्धा
ट्रिक
जी-
क्वेश्चन है मैडम।
हाँ, तो
नहीं नहीं
श्रद्धा
मैडम,
जी
आप तो
आपसे
बोल
मैं
रहे
ये
हो कि
पूछना-
अगर सॉरी बट आप मतलब गाना सुन के म्यूजिक
म्यूजिक
सुन के
सुनते
गाड़ी
हुए
चलाना
ड्राइव-
अपराध है?
हाँ, क्योंकि वो
तो
पुलिस
सब
वाले
रेडियो
पकड़
स्टेशंस
लेंगे।
बंद हो जाएंगे, क्या
नहीं,
बात करिए आप?
नहीं तो फिर वो आप पुलिस वाले पकड़ लेते हैं, कई बार ऐसा मैंने देखा अपना।
नहीं, अगर आप मोबाइल पे बात कर रही हैं और
मुंबई की।
हेडफोन्स हैं आपके कान में तो पकड़ते हैं। ऐसे आप म्यूजिक बजाएंगी
हाँ,
थोड़ी
वो
पकड़ते
बजा
हैं
सकते हैं,
आपको।
उसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम
तो
नहीं,
बस
लेकिन
वही-
फिर भी माइंड थोड़ा डाइवर्ट तो होता ही
क्वेश्चन क्या है?
तो मेरा प्रश्न श्रद्धा जी से यही है कि आप ऐसा कौन सा टाइम निकालेंगी जिसमें आप गाना सुनना पसंद करेंगी और आप कितनी टेक्नो सेवी है, बस यही प्रश्न।
पहली बात तो ये है कि आप गाना जब गाड़ी चला रहे हो आप फ़ोन को अपने कान पे रख के गाना नहीं सुनते, पहली बात तो वो है। ब्लूटूथ से कनेक्ट करके या फिर वो जो ऑक्स केबल है उसको कनेक्ट करके आप सुन सकते हैं। या फिर अगर आपके गाड़ी का स्पीकर ख़राब हो गया है तो आप अपने फ़ोन को स्पीकर फ़ोन पे लगा के वो गाना सुन सकते हैं। पर डेफिनेटली जो आप कह रही है, यू कांट ड्राइव एंड लिसन टू द सॉन्ग कीपिंग द फोन इन योर ईयर।
और ये क्वेश्चन पुलिस के लिए है। आई थिंक देयर इज अनदर पुलिस मीटिंग इसके बाद, वी कैन आस्क देम। पर थैंक यू मैम। और सवाल जवाब यस नो के जैसे हैं तो
Hi
बेटर।
everyone, yeah, Kanika from CNN IBN. I wanted to ask that there's in this app in your Samsung Club, this is live TV. So what kind of revolution it will bring to the TV industry? Whatever, whoever would like to answer. I have
Okay,
two
first, let me just tell you that smartphones is a growing market in the country. It's an emerging economy. And we have an ecosystem of almost 300 million devices, which essentially means, like Shraddha just said, a lot of consumers want to have mobile TV streamed as they're going, maybe, you know, while gymming, while even walking to the cafe, not necessarily sitting in front of the screen. So yeah, of course, it's going to revolutionize the TV screen because we're adding another screen in the ecosystem for TV consumption, TV content consumption.
So, Shahid and Shraddha, I have another question. Moving to your movie, like most of the parts you have shot.
Can we answer
shot-
this question?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Thank
what?
you. Yeah, you have most of the parts of the movie you've shot in Jammu and Kashmir, and now you know the situation. There's
Yes.
flood going on. So what's your call, and in which way you would like to help the victims of there?
I think any kind of work that you do which is from a charitable point of view, I prefer not to talk about it to the media because I think that kind of makes it look like you're doing it to promote or to show that you're doing something. But rest assured, Kashmir was an amazing experience. I think everybody is rather shell-shocked with what has happened there. Our prayers are with everybody who has been a part of the situation. In fact, one of my very close friends was there and she was stuck for 3 days she's almost like family for me, and she was stuck there for 3 days with some part of her family. And so I directly was somewhere invested in it, and I actually felt what people must have felt. As a film and as individuals, we are all looking at doing things in our own way, and but it's not something which on this platform needs to be discussed or discussed at all. I think that's something that you do for yourself as a human being and not to talk about in front of the media. But our prayers are with all the people in Kashmir, and it's very tragic and it's very sad.
Hi, शाहिद, श्रद्धा, साजिद भाई एंड वाजिद भाई, अभी थोड़ी देर पहले साइरस ने भी ये सवाल पूछा। मेरा नाम आलोक है, मैं OAFM से हूँ, आपके राइट
आप
में।
कहाँ हैं?
इधर राइट।
Oh, right there. हाँ हाँ हाँ।
तो
रघु from MTV? अरे
नो, वायरस फ्रॉम साइरस। आप चारों के फेवरेट फिल्म और गाना कौन कौन सा है, एक रैपिड फायर टाइप का अगर आप बता दें, क्योंकि थोड़ी देर पहले साइरस हम सभी से पूछ रहे थे। तो कोई ऐसा गीत जो आप अक्सर कार में सुनना चाहते हैं, एंड कोई ऐसी फिल्म जो आप बार बार देखना चाहते हैं, तो क्लब सैमसंग से कुछ अटैचमेंट टाइप का हो सकता है। फिल्म एंड सॉन्ग
अंदाज अपना अपना
एंड सॉन्ग
एंड सॉन्ग बहुत सॉन्ग्स हैं,
Happy birthday.
many songs.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday is my favorite.
ये अवेलेबल है आपके ऐप पे, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। फिर तो ये
Favorite,
बहुत रोज डाउनलोड होगा।
Favorite movie, favorite song, fast.
Favorite movie, it's difficult to say, but I can see this film called Jaane Bhi Do Yaro. My father was a part of it. I can see it over and over and over again. So maybe that, if it's available on the app.
It is.
In terms of songs, right now I would be listening to Aao Na from Heather.
साहिद भाई, मौजूद भाई,
Hi,
शाहिद एंड श्रद्धा यहाँ पे।
एक सेकंड जवाब हो जाने।
One second. Wajid is finally answering. Quick.
बोल के गा के
गा के
हाँ गा के ये तो at least प्रश्न उत्तर shut finally. Come on, let's go.
गाने तो बहुत सारे हैं, but I love nowadays I love आ रात भर, so I would like that song to be there. आ रात भर.
No singing, Wajid? एक दो लाइन? हो जाए. Shall we 2 lines? हाँ? Lunch के लिए time है. Shall we, Wajid, we need to show some respect.
आ
Clapping,
रात
clapping.
भर, आ रात भर, जाए ना घर, जाए ना घर. Thank you.
हाय शाहिद.
तुमने नोट किया बोले आ रात भर जाए ना घर.
इसका favorite part of our culture.
शाहिद एंड श्रद्धा यहाँ पे आपके साथ.
आप जोर जोर से चिल्ला के बोलिए, यहाँ कोई चुप रहने वाला मैं नहीं है. यू हैव टू शो योर
पूजा
वुमेन
सामंत
पावर.
from लोकमत.
हाँ जी,
पूजा from लोकमत.
जोर से
या,
बोलिए
या.
आप, कोई नहीं रोके आपको.
या मैं आपसे शाहिद पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आप कितने गैजेट्स फ्रिक है और कौन सा मोबाइल इस्तेमाल करते हैं और कौन कौन से ऐप आपने उसमें डाउनलोड किए हैं.
अभी आपने देखा मैंने अपनी पॉकेट से कौन सा फोन निकाला? देखा नहीं, अभी वहीं रखा हुआ है. देखिए वो मैं आपको प्रूफ दिखाता हूँ.
Samsung.
सैमसंग है.
Reverb,
और
Samsung.
उसके अंदर सैमसंग क्लब वर्ल्ड भी
Samsung.
है.
आई थिंक yesterday it was different. आईफोन था कल.
Which phone was it yesterday?
What are you saying?
आईफोन
Don't
yesterday
lie.
was iPhone.
You're saying our actors are like that we give them free dates and that's the.
What
आप-
lies?
आप इन पे
आपके पास
spy
एक ही
कर
नंबर
रही
है. नहीं, एक सेकंड, आपके पास एक ही नंबर है.
Of course.
मेरे पास बड़े सारे नंबर्स हैं.
स्टार्स पर सबकी निगाह होती है.
नहीं, बस मेरे पास कई सारे नंबर्स हैं मैम. तो
So madam already knows the
I'm
answer.
not asking you your number. I'm just asking you कि which application you download and which phone you are using.
I told you Samsung and Club Samsung. You don't want to believe me, then what do I do?
Ma'am, contractual obligation भी है. Please let us off the hook यार. Next.
श्रद्धा शाहिद
हाँ
यहाँ
जी,
पे.
हाँ जी सर. Please.
राकेश E24 से. आप दोनों से जानना चाहूंगा, क्लब सैमसंग तो है ही, लेकिन इसके अलावा कौन सा एप्लीकेशन है जिसके
भाई ये
बिना
तो हो गया.
मुझे तो
वो
लगा
तो
था
हो गया,
एक ही-
लेकिन इसके अलावा
और एप्लीकेशंस होते हैं.
जी हाँ होते हैं.
मैं तो सिर्फ क्लब सैमसंग देखा है. बहुत अच्छा है.
No lunch for you,
मुझे
Rakesh.
तो पता ही नहीं
No
था कि
lunch
कोई
for
और
you.
ऐप है.
नहीं,
इतना पैसा,
मैं खाना
इतना
खा के
खर्चा
आया
के
हूँ.
बाद
कौन से ऐप
सबको
है
खाना
यार?
खिलाते हैं हम लोग फिर भी.
व्हाट्सएप है, BBM है, और भी बहुत सारे
लेकिन
applications
इस पे मीडिया स्ट्रीम नहीं कर सकते, डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते. नहीं कर सकते व्हाट्सएप
New
और
brand
मीडिया.
ambassador. Well done.
Shahid here, right here. I'm
Yes,
standing,
yes.
you can see me.
हेलो.
Vijay Shankar here.
हाय.
Vijay, shampoo.
Vi-
Sir, सब लोग. Why are they making sound, sir? ठीक है.
Vijay Shankar, I'm from the media. and
Vijay bhai, it's only for Shahid, for everyone.
It's for Shahid, of course.
Classical dancer.
Somebody has already said it, so I don't have to introduce
Go ahead,
again.
go ahead.
Shahid, you're such a wonderful dancer. Have you never thought of learning Kathak from your mother?
तुम लोग इतना हूट कर रहे हो, चक्कर क्या है?
और ये भी कोई Samsung का कनेक्शन होगा इसमें because we'll download that and play it later something.
यहाँ पर सैमसंग वाले रूम के अंदर सब सच बोला जाता है, तो बोल दो जो भी है तुम्हारे मन में. Sorry, what was your question again,
You
sir?
learn.
You're
इतना
such,
ये लोग आवाज कर रहे हैं, I couldn't hear what you were saying. Sorry.
you're such a wonderful dancer.
जी, thank you.
But you never thought of learning Kathak from your mother?
Actually, when I was a kid, I was very fascinated by the dance form, I must confess. But somehow I never learned it. But yeah, I think it's a beautiful dance form. I always used to travel with my mother a lot. जब वो stage shows करती थी, I've seen a lot of performances by Pandit Birju Maharaj. I've actually spent a lot of time with him because my mom was his disciple, so I got to spend a lot of time with him in Kathak Kendra in Delhi. But yeah, I never learnt it. I was always excited when I saw Michael Jackson. So I wanted to learn more Western forms of dance. And my mother was very evolved, so she never really forced me to do anything which she felt she was doing. She always wanted me to do whatever it is that I enjoyed. So
But maybe Vijay bhai, you can teach him later once the thing is over. A few tips, Shahid.
I think Cyrus, we should tie some ghungroos on you. It will be a more entertaining experience.
Vijay bhai has already taught me, that's why I'm recommending it. Okay,
Let's-
last two questions.
Shahid,
Last two
Approach
questions.
that topic.
Yeah, you'll have to go for a shoot. Last two
Shahid,
questions.
Sandeep from
sir.
Bollywood Now.
Sandeep from
Bollywood Now.
Bollywood Now.
आपने सच कहने की बात की है, तो you have been paired opposite.
Never take me seriously, but हाँ. पहले मैं disclaimer दे देता हूँ. अब पूछिए आपको जो पूछना है.
Okay. Your pairing with Shraddha in Heather is being appreciated a lot, and she's also a light-eyed heroine like Kareena Kapoor. So you've spoken about your pairing with Kareena didn't work in the first 3 films, but it worked in Jab We Met. So what are your expectations from Heather?
कोई भी यार लाइट आइड हो, डार्क
क्या
आइड हो,
connection है?
नो आइड हो, मैनी आइड हो,
ये
you want
eyes
your
का
pairing to, हाँ,
connection-
you want your pairing to work in every film. So I don't think anybody does a film together. यार चलो पिक्चर करते हैं और अपनी pairing नहीं चलेगी.
But we know what you're trying to ask, sir. You'll have to do that some other time because it's about Samsung. Moving on.
Hi,
Club
Hi
Samsung.
Shraddha and Shahid.
Club
Sasha
Samsung.
here from Hot Young.
Hello.
Your fans on Twitter, they want to know how much has the character influenced the both of you from Heather?
From Heather, Arshia, who is playing one feisty journalist. So definitely some inspiration from all you guys out there, which I've tried to use in the film. So once you see the film, you guys can say how successful I have been. But I think one good quality would be that she stands for being completely honest and being completely righteous, even if it comes down to her loved ones. So she won't be unfair in that aspect. Sometimes you give that leeway to your loved ones, but she's very fair that way. So I would say that. But you guys have to watch it and say if I'm able to play that journalist up to the mark.
शाहिद, hi, straight, Sohail from
मैं
Camsham.
नहीं जवाब दूं उनको.
last question.
एक ढंग का सवाल आया था जिसमें कुछ मतलब बोल सकते हैं. अच्छा ये कई बार होता है that when somebody asks you a question and then the question is over and then you start answering it and they pass the mic on and they're looking here and they're looking there, so you don't know who to talk to. I'm so happy that you're actually looking at us and you're interested. Thank you. Well, I think Heather is a very complex part and I think it required a lot of time and a lot of, honestly, I was very dependent on Vishal sir. I would say the kind of character that Heather is, he's more like a thinking man's hero. He's not somebody who just gets up and punches people and, resolves the issue kind of scenario. He's really somebody who's sensitive and vulnerable and real and normal and would probably respond to things the same way that you and I would in a real situation in life. That's what made it so interesting to play the character because there are various complexities that you get to portray. So yes, it did have an impact on me. I was told by my family that I really seemed rather different from how I usually am when I was doing Heather. I hope that kind of answers your question.
Okay,
Thank
last
you.
last question.
Shahid,
Hi,
Shana,
this is Sohail. Shahid, just needed to ask you, you have a very great hair, in fact, like soft and silky. When you got bald, how much were you missing your hair? And now the hair has come back. How much are you missing the baldness?
Soft and silky. Sharam hona chahiye, sharam hona chahiye. Anyway, that's your question.
Okay.
Fast.
Especially when I listen to songs from Club Samsung, my hair goes bounce, bounce, bounce. Some way of saying,
Okay, guys, sorry, we have to
Samsung.
wrap it up here. They're in the middle of a recording. He's completed the answer.
No, I actually enjoyed being bald because it felt very nice when nice hot water fell directly on your bald head as opposed to going through hair. It's a very different experience. You should try it sometime. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Ho jayega.
And then we can have a chat about it. I actually am happy with and without hair. Whatever my director needs, whatever my film needs, I'm happy to do that.
Shahid here.
Sorry guys, no, we have to stop. We have to stop.
Please.
No.
Shahid here.
Guys, no, not end.
Shahid here.
Okay, very last question.
Can I?
Yeah, lady.
Shahid, जैसे आपने
Shahid, your film is releasing on 2nd October. Also, Bang Bang is going to release it on the same day. So, do you think that somewhere that will affect the business of the film?
No, but this is
I
about
have
Club
answered this
Samsung.
question 70,000 times.
Yeah.
How many times to answer?
71,000.
No, so listen, ma'am, we'll come back with the release.
For that you
is
have
not
to
happened
ask
yet.
me 1,000 times more.
Listen,
You said 71,000
We're
times.
here about Club Samsung, so sorry we have to stop here. We have to give the room back.
एक तू नहीं बात करने दे रहा है, एक वो नहीं बात करने दे रहे यार, हम बात ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Vijay Shankar is doing a dance recital in 15 minutes. I have to give up the room. Thank you so much for coming, everybody. Let us thank Sajid, Wajid,
My
Shahid,
question is to
Shraddha,
Sajid
and
Wajid
Tarun.
Saab. Last question, please.
Paji,
Sajid Saab,
Tarun is here to
what will
talk.
be your role in Club Samsung? Whether how you will be introducing singers and all on this platform?
Yes, of course. We will definitely introduce a very different kind of musicians, singers, and we have already collected. The Club Samsung is already full. And the kind of music which is going to come, it is not available anywhere. You know, किसी ने अभी पूछा था, what is exclusive about Club Samsung? The thing which you will get it on Club Samsung, you will never get it on any app or any phone. So I think that is something very different. And as you all know, Sajid Wajid is known for their surprises, melodies, and arrangement. You will have a ball time, trust me.
All right, guys, thank you so much from the family here at Club Samsung. Thank you for coming.
Thank you all so
Khana
much.
is free. And our thanks to our stars. Again, Shahid, Shraddha, Wajid, Sajid, and of course, Tarun. Thank you. Outside, enjoy the food. There's no alcohol, but if you come back at 7:30, there's a recital.